How to open a Claude AI account. The first is you can both register it via using your laptop or PC and going directly to Claude.ai's official website. And by there, you can also use the Claude AI app. So just simply pull up your Google Play Store and download Claude AI. So once you have downloaded and installed it, just simply pull up your Claude AI app, and then you can choose to log in or to continue with email or your Google account. So this time we'll try to continue using our Google account. Choose on the best or the specific account that you'd like to use, and then just tap agree and share. Then here you'll have to input your mobile number, so you can also choose the area code on what specific country you're in right now. Now, once you have selected it, all you have to do next is to enter and verify I am at least 18 years of age. So once you tap on send verification code, you will be receive a unique code from Claude AI for you to be able to confirm it. So once everything is completed, you'll just have to input your email address that you'd like to use for your Claude AI to work. And then that's it. That's how you create an account with Claude AI.